Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Howlogical, and in this video I am going to show you how to be safe in an Airbnb. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to be safe into Airbnb, you just simply have to check some security measures before booking any Airbnb for you. First one is to make sure what you want. Now, in order to make sure, you can choose any of this section from here, and after choosing the specific Airbnb which you want, just simply open that Airbnb. And now the second thing that you have to do is to check for the reviews and ratings. As you can see here, this Airbnb right here has the 4.90 in the 5-star. That means it's a good rated Airbnb. And you can also read the reviews by tapping into this 312 reviews. Then after that, you can carefully read all the reviews and you will get all the details and security measures into here. Then after that, you have to scroll down a bit and you will get to see this what this place offers option. Now just simply check all of the offerings from the specific place. From here you will get to see all of the options that you need, and you can compare if this place is secured and safe enough or not. Then at third option and last, you just simply have to go to the profile of the host, and into here you will get to see the details about the host. Just simply carefully research about the host, and you have to check this page most importantly. The first one is identity and the second one is phone number. And after verifying this, you can make sure if the place is safe or not. This way you can be safe in any Airbnb. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.